Onya Memoakwaba Bioba Learner Can. So you're welcome back to another episode of the Learner Can Media Dialogue Review series. And if you are new to this series, what we do is we take clips from Chi movies, interviews, and other such media resources, and then we learn from the dialogues in them. So these are mainly natural conversations between individuals. So we entreat you not just to learn and then shelve them somewhere. Whatever you learn from this series, words, phrases, idioms, proverbs, anything that you learn from this series, please ensure that you actually use them. Use them so that they stick, and I'm sure that will help you in your fluency journey. We already have other videos published in the series. I'll leave a link to the whole playlist up here. For today's clip, this is taken from a movie that when I first accessed it on YouTube, I remember the title was God Is Not Dead. But today, when I went back to check on the movie, it had been taken down. But we can still learn some Chi from the dialogue.
Ne na mno beka mekukum asem ushakitekede na mdo kotana mwichiri seko ne kusua muma ne sua nyansa na sedachi bia no meni ho a watena manen enunti na mepese obekwa kotena ba bi kura uko yesu so ukasa no sese kura wontimenka okusua broni kasa sa mane wontimenka ya asante kase na ni nyina ne se ba wa be se ene anaso okina ya metu ne nsafre ne a me ye hihye bia ato se wona konwa ne mfama wo ne tena so na yesu ya konwa yi ansa na obetena so no agisi emu se oba ka ho enunti me ankasa mpese me ne abusua itena se ne hwehwemu ne yepe wo ba ne ho dwo you bet me and no abobra near the mawo na wo ware no eno sa no de agese mesesi mechi me wua meko.
So it appears the man speaking is the uncle of this fair guy that he's talking to. And you can tell that because he starts his speech with me wofa ase. Me wofa ase. We have wofa ase, and that is nephew or niece. Okay, so one's nephew or niece. We've mentioned here before that we often do not distinguish between the gender when it comes to Asante Chi. So whereas in English you have he, she, in Chi is the same. O. So we use O for both he and she, the subject pronouns. The object pronouns him or her in English, in Chi is the same. No. And even for words that we do have gender distinguishable forms for, so for example, nanaba and nanabema, we are still able to drop the ba and the bema and just use the nana for both, gender. Another example is aseba and asebema. You can still drop the ba and the bema and you have ase or asel for both. So when you hear wofa ase, it can be both nephew or niece, depending on the gender of the person that is being spoken to. All right. So in this case, it's nephew because he's talking to a guy.
Ene na mno beka mekukum asem.
Ene na mene beka mekukum asem. We have ene, which is today, right? So there's ene today, ochna tomorrow, enra yesterday. Okay, so keep those. Ene today, ochna tomorrow, and enra is yesterday. And then there is kukum asem. Kukum asem, and that is basically a secret. So there is kukum, which is coming from kukua mu, in secrecy. Okay, in secrecy. And then there is asem, an issue. So an issue that is in secrecy, a secret. All right. So and then I'm no beka me kukum asem. It is today that I am going to talk to you about my secret.
Ushakitekede na mdo kotana mwichiri seko ne kusua muma ne sua nyansa.
Usaketekete no na mdo kotana abrochiri. So we have usaketekete no. The verb here is swa. And please pay attention to how this is pronounced, because later we are going to compare this to another verb that is spelled the same way but they sound differently and they mean differently. So here we have sa, and that means to be little. Okay, to be little, and in terms of a human being, to be young. And also take note that this is a verb. So this is to be little, not just the adjective little, all right? So we have sa, to be little. So for example, if you go to buy food in Ghana, and the woman that sells the food give you like small quantity, you can say, aduane no sa. Aduane no sa. The food is little, right? It's small. But in this case, this man is qualifying this sa with kitikiti, and kitikiti is very small, very little, right? So usa kitikiti no, it was when you were very little, right? Very young. Now me do kwatsina abrochire. We have abrochire, and abrochire is abroad. Okay, abrochire, abroad. And then he continues. He says, "Seko nekosua nwoma." So this and the previous line, they are together. Ko nekosua nwoma. You see the verb here, sua. I told you when we looked at the first sa, right? Usa kitikiti no. I told you that you needed to pay attention to how it is pronounced, because we're going to compare it to another verb that is spelled the same way but sounds differently and mean differently. And this is that other verb. This is sua. Sua. So let's compare the two. So we have sa, the first one, sa, 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 and that is to be little, as against sua, 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 to learn. Okay, so learn akan is sua akan. Okay, so we have sa as against sua, to learn. Koneko sua nwoma, go and learn book, literally, but this just means go and learn. Okay, nesua nyansa, we have nyansa here, and that is the noun sense. Okay, sense, the noun, not the verb. Okay, so we have nyansa as sense, wisdom. Okay, so it was when you were very little that I took you to abrochire, abroad, that go and learn book and learn sense.
Na sedachi biya no mini hɔ a watena manam.
Na sedachi biya no mini hɔ a watena manam. So we have dachi, and dachi means future, right? So there's dachi, future, and then there is afebo, which is eternity, all right? So dachi biya no, anytime within the future, anytime in the future. Mini hwa, so there is ni, which is the negative form of the irregular to be verb form wo. There's a link to the dedicated lesson on this to be verb form. It's up here. In fact, I'll leave a link to the whole playlist on the to be verb forms here. But to give you a quick idea of this, one of the to be verb forms that we have in Chi is wo. Wo. And I like to call this the location stroke existence to be verb form, because we use this to talk about the location and existence of stuff. Okay, so right now I'm home, so I can say me wo fie, I'm home, right? So you see the wo. I'm using this to tell you about where I am, my location. I can also say samai wo wiase. Samai wo wiase. I'm kidding. So I'm using this wo to talk about the existence of ghosts in this world. Now, this wo is an irregular verb, and what this means is it doesn't really follow the standard verbal inflections that we have in Chi. So for example, the negative of this wo is ni, and if you've taken our lessons on the negation, you will know that this doesn't really follow the rule that we gave in those lessons, okay? Because this is an irregular verb. So you just have to learn that the negative of this wo is ni, all right, to not be. So he says na sedachi biano, so that anytime in the future, minihwa, when I'm not there, right? When I'm not there, what's na manemu? We have tena anemu. Tena anemu. We use this to say to sit in place of somebody, to replace someone, to succeed someone. Okay, so overall we have nasedachi biano minihwa what's not my name, so that sometime in the future when I'm not there, you succeed me. Okay, you replace me.
Enunti na mepɛ sɛ wobɛkɔ akɔtena baabi koraa.
Enunti na mepɛ sɛ wobɛkɔ akɔtena baabi koraa. So we have enunti, and we have learned in a previous episode that this inti, if it is placed after something, you are saying because of whatever came before this inti. Okay, so here we have enunti. Eno is that. So if you follow eno with inti, you get enunti, and that will be because of that. So enunti na mepɛ se obeko akotena baabi kra. It is because of that. So it is for this reason that I wanted you to go and live somewhere. There is baby, which is somewhere. Okay, baby, somewhere.
Uko Yesu so ukasa no sese kura wontimi nka.
Uko yenso so ukasa no sese kura wontimi nka. We have nsoso, which is another form of nso also, but this mostly manifests in speech rather than writing. Okay, so we have nso or nsoso as also. So uko yenso so ukasa no sese kura wontimi nka. And since you went, even your language, you're unable to speak it.
Okusua broni kasa sa mane wontimi nka. Yeah, Sante Kasa.
Wakusua broni kasa sa mane wontimi nka ya Sante Kasa no. So again, we have the verb sua, which is to learn. So this is sua, not swa, to be little, right? So wakusua broni kasa, you've gone to learn the white man's language. We have broni, which is a white person, right? Broni is a white person. And then we have kasa, which is language, right? Kasa, language. So broni kasa literally means the white man's language, okay? English language. So wakusua broni kasa sa ama ene untumi nka ya Sante Kasa no. You've gone to learn so much white man's language that has caused you to not be able to speak Asante language today. Okay, so now you're unable to speak Asante language because you've gone to learn too much white man's language, too much English language.
Ni nyina ne sɛ ba wa bɛyi sɛ ɛnɛ anaso ɔkyena nyame to ne nsa frɛ me a.
Na ni nyina ne sɛ ba wa bɛyi sɛ nnɛ anaasɛ ɔkyena nyame to ne nsa frɛ me a. When someone is about to say something and then he starts with ni nyina ne sɛ or na ni nyina ne sɛ, it means the whole issue is, okay, the whole thing is. So when you're about to say something and you want to explain, so you say the whole issue is or the whole thing is, that is na ni nyina ne sɛ or ni nyina ne sɛ. Ba wa bɛyi, as you've come, sɛ ene, we learned that ene means today. Anase ɔkyena, again we learned that ɔkyena is tomorrow. What did we say yesterday was? Enra, okay, Enra. So we had ene today, ɔkyena tomorrow, and enra is yesterday. So se ene, if today, anase ɔkyena or tomorrow. So we have ana or anase, which is or. We have a dedicated lesson on this, it's up here. So se ene, if today, anase ɔkyena or tomorrow, nyame to ne nsa frɛ me a. We have a phrasal verb here, and that is to nsafre. To nsafre, and that means to invite. Okay, so to invite someone, to nsafre. Literally, this means to throw one's hand and call, right? To throw one's hand and call somebody. But this actually means to invite. So he says, nyame to ne nsa frɛ me a. When God invites me, in Chi, this expression is used figuratively to mean to die. Okay, so when God invites you, you need to die in order to honor that invite, right? So if I say nyame ato ne nsa afrɛ ama or nyame ato ne nsa afrɛ Kwame, it means Kwame or Ama has died. Okay, so nyame to ne nsa frɛ me a, when God invites me, as in when I pass on,
meyɛ nhyehyɛ biara to sɛ wo na akonnwa no yɛmfa ma wo na tena so.
meyɛ nhyehyɛ biara to hɔ sɛ wo na akonnwa no yɛmfa ma wo. So we have nhyehyɛ, and nhyehyɛ is an arrangement, right? It's coming from the verb hyehyɛ, which is to arrange. So meyɛ nhyehyɛ biara to hɔ sɛ wo na akonnwa no yemfamao. I'm making all arrangements behind to ensure that when I'm gone, it is you that the throne must be given to. So you should succeed me as the king. And then he adds natinaso, and sit on it. Sit on the throne. So he says, I'm making all arrangements to ensure that when I'm gone someday, you succeed me as the king.
Na Yesu yakonwa yi ansa na obetena so no ati se hu se oba ka ho.
Na yenso akonwa yi ansa na wobetena so no agye se yehu se oba ka ho. So we have na yenso akonwa yi, and for us this throne, so this our throne, ansa na wobetena so no, before you sit on it. So we have ansa or ansana, which is before. Okay, so answer before. So I can say meko suku ansa mako asori. Okay, meko suku ansa mako asori. I'll go to school before I go to church. All right. So na yenso akonye, and for us this throne of ours, ansa na obetena so no, before you sit on it. So before you ascend it, ajese yehu se oba ka ho. We have ajese, and ajese means unless. All right, unless. So unless yehu se oba ka ho, we have oba, and oba means a woman, female, right? So the whole thing is na yenso akonye yi ansa na wo betena so no, ajese yehu se oba ka wo ho. Ka ho means to be added to be part of. Okay? So before you ascend our throne, we need to see that you have a woman with you. You are married, essentially.
Enunti mia ankasa mpese me ne abusua itinase.
Enunti, you remember this, right? Enunti, because of that. So it is for this reason that mia ankasa me pese me ne abusua itinase. So mi ankasa, if you use ankasa after a pronoun, you use it to intensify the pronoun. So if I say mi ankasa, I'm saying I myself. Wankasa, you yourself. So wankasa na okai, it is you yourself who said it, not anybody else. You yourself said it. Wankasa na okai, okay? So enunti mi ankasa me pese me ne abusua yi tenase. Abusua is family. Okay, so we have abusua as family, we have abusuani as a family member. Okay, so if I say we am abusuani, I'm saying you are my family member. Okay, singular. Moye mabusuafuo, we switch the singular ni for the plural for. So we am abusuani, you are my family member, but moye mabusuafuo, you are my family members. Okay, and then we also have abusuapenyi, the family head. Okay, so abusuapenyi. So there is abusua, abusuani, abusuafuo, abusuapenyi. So we have enunti mi ankasa me pese me ne abusua yi tenase. We have tenase, which means to sit down. Okay, to sit down. So if someone is standing and you want to tell the person to sit down, you can just say tenase. Tenase or mepacho tenase.
Ye hwehwemu ne yepe wo ba ne ho dwo. Ye obetimi eno abobra.
Na ye hwehwemu na yepe oba ne ho dwo. Hwehwemu means to look into, to search through a number, right? To search through a lot, to investigate. So it is from this that we get the noun in hwehwemu, investigation. So in this case, he's saying na ye hwehwemu na yepe oba ne ho dwo. Earlier we learned that oba is a woman, female, right? But if you say oba ne ho dwo, it means a calm woman. If we say wo ho dwo, it means you are calm. Me ho dwo, I am calm. Ye ho dwo, we are calm, right? So we have oba ne ho dwo, a woman that is calm. Na ye hwehwemu, and then we search through, the women in this town. Na ye pe oba ne ho dwo, and find a woman that is calm. Na obitumi ne wo abobra, who can live life with you or go through life with you. So we have bobra, which means to live life. So to go through life with all its ups and downs. So essentially, it is for this reason that he himself is going to sit with the family and investigate, search through the women that they have in a town and find one that is calm and can help him advance through life together.
Na yɛde no ma wo
na ware no, and then we give that woman to you for you to marry. Okay, so we have ware, which means to marry, right? Ware, to marry. So that is why we are able to ask, Waware, are you married? Okay, Waware, are you married? And in response, if you are married, you say ane maware. Okay, ane maware. If you are not married, you say Debbie menware. Debbie menware.
Eno saa no de agese mesiesie mechi.
Eno saa no de na kire se mesiesie mechi. Siesie echi means to put things in order such that when you are not around, things will still go as expected. Okay, so say you're about to travel and then you put things in order such that when you are not around, things will still go as expected. Okay, so but for him, he's speaking around death. So if he sits with the family and they are able to find a calm woman for the nephew to marry, then he will know that he has put things in order, after which
Miwua
meko. The verb here is wu, which means to die. Okay, and there's a at the end, which means this is an if clause. So we have miwua, if I die, meko, I will go. Okay, miwua meko, if I die, I'll go. But this is just to mean that when I die, I'll die in peace. Okay, because it is believed that if you don't die in peace, then your spirits may be stuck around here and you can't transition to the underworld, Asamando. But then if he's able to do all that, ensure that the nephew ascends the throne when he's gone, and also find a calm woman for the nephew to marry, then when he dies, he can die in peace.
Na mno beka mekukum asem usha ketekele na mdo kwata na bichire seko ne kusua muma ne sua nyansa na sedachi bia no meni ho a watena manen enunti na me pese obekwa kwatena ba bi kura uko yesu so ukasa no sese kura wontimi nka okusua broni kasa sa mane wontimi nka ya sante kase na ni nyina ne se ba wa be se ene anaso okina ya metu na nsafre ne a me ye hihye bia ato se wona konwa no yemfama wo ne tena so na yesu yakonwa yi ansa na obetena so no agisi emu se oba ka ho enunti mia nkasa mpese me ne abusua tena se ne yehwehwe mu ne yepe oba ne ho dwo yo betimi eno abobra ne yede no mawo na wo ware no eno saa no de agese mesiesie mechi mi wu a meko